Okay, let's come over and have a look at CL this morning. Just quickly on the 15-minute chart. So bear in mind, off this 4, everything's in ABCs for a diagonal. So there's the 4. We got down here yesterday. I was looking for a last little squiggle down, didn't get it. But that's the A wave. A, B, C for the B wave this morning, right into the 618 retrace, picture perfect, and off we've come. So I'm just looking for it to come down to 60.84 ideally. It can come a bit below it, but I don't want to see too much below there to complete the bigger degree wave 4. So if I take you up to the daily chart, this 4 here, and then I'm looking for this to go up to at least 77.84. And as I said in last night's video, this idea of going to 91 is back on the cards. But the first thing we've got to do is watch the retrace fibs against this. So I'm looking for a swing long in CL because even the retrace is an attractive enough trade. Again, this is the 2.0 extension. We often see the 3 go up to the 2.0 extension in CL. It's rare to see a 5th wave complete at the 2.0 extension in CL. I look for at least the 238.2 and more commonly the 2786 to 2764 to 2786. The 2764 lines up perfectly with that 123.6 from the weekly chart, which if I just show you the weekly chart briefly, excuse me. So what that is the length of this wave 1 as an ABC projected off the wave 2, and we're in this A, B, C for the 3rd in a diagonal. What we look for in a diagonal pattern for the 3 is the 1.0 as a minimum, and you can see we didn't quite hit it. I mean, it's close enough that this 3 could be in, so we do have to keep that in mind. If we go through the 1.0, we look for the 123.6. That's where we get that 91.37 from. So if we get a straightforward impulse up, I would expect to go there. But as I say, we've got to watch the retrace fibs. In the shorter term, I'm simply looking for confirmation of the low, and I'm expecting it to take out yesterday's low and then come down to the fib in the larger degree time count charts. The 1.0 extension for the A to C relationships here at 60.46, and that's marked up on the day trading charts you've got in the forum. And natty gas, I mean, this thing, you can count any which way you like. I'm looking for a bigger 5 down, 3 back to confirm that the top's in natty gas. And even on a day trading basis, this thing's been difficult. Today, I'm looking for a drop below 34.93. If we see that and you want to short it for a day trade, great. Beyond that, not touching it until it proves itself now.